Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hyperpigmentation on the skin, whether it is dark spots and blemishes, whether it is acne scars, whether it is from blackheads and whitehead, old scars, scrapes, scratches, guess what? I am going to share with you my personal remedy that I use to clear my skin of all the dullness and brighten and freshen my skin. Now, many of you might not be aware of the fact that I grew up with a lot of hyperpigmentation on my skin, all over my body to be exact. And what I did, I turned to natural remedies. Over the years, I have perfected a remedy that is really amazing. It works really fast and you can see result within 7 days. As a matter of fact, the very first time you use it and you leave it on your skin for a couple hours and rinse off, you're going to notice a bit of a difference to your skin. And with continuous use, you will find that your dark spot, your scars, all the hyperpigmentation started to clear, and what you're going to be left with is natural, beautiful, clear skin. Now guys, you might be wondering, what is this? It is all natural, simple ingredient that some of you might already have in your kitchen. So follow me to my kitchen and let me share the recipe with you. I will also give you some tips on how to use this on the skin. At the end of the video also, there's a bonus way in which you can use this remedy. So let's go whip this up and then I'll tell you all about the ingredients. Our first ingredient is potato starch, and this is a potato starch that I make for myself. Now, to make the potato starch, you just have to peel several potatoes, extract the juice, put it to settle, then you strain the juice off. The starch will be at the bottom and you leave it out to dry, or you can choose to buy your own potato starch. Now, the reason for using potato starch is that it contains an ingredient called catecholase, which will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. So I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of the potato starch. You do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. Now, my next ingredient is turmeric powder, and turmeric is also another amazing ingredient to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, spots and blemishes, and also to lighten and brighten the skin. So I'm using just a pinch of the turmeric powder, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the turmeric powder with the potato starch. We're mixing well. Fully blend the two dry ingredients together. We're blending potato starch and turmeric powder. Now, once this is totally blended, we're going to reach for some rose water, which is very hydrating to the skin. We don't need a lot of rose water, so about a half a teaspoon of the rose water. Pouring this in. And our next ingredient is going to be some honey. And honey will help to hydrate the skin. It has antibacterial properties, which will also help to lighten and brighten the skin, get rid of acne prone skin. So I'm using about a teaspoon of the honey in the mixture, and we're pouring this in. Make sure to get everything out. And now we're going to blend. So we're mixing honey, rose water, potato starch, and turmeric powder together, and we're mixing well. This is going to be a nice thick paste, guys. This is exactly how you want it to be. So just mix. Now, once this is done, we're going to reach for our next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. You can also choose to use fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. We're using 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is another amazing ingredient for getting rid of spots and blemishes on the skin, lightening and brightening the skin. It also will help to hydrate the skin. So we're mixing this in a nice paste. Just mix well. Completely dissolve your aloe vera gel in the mixture. So keep mixing, blending thoroughly. And this have a very amazing fragrance. Now once this is done, guys, you're basically ready, but you can use an optional ingredient in this. Our optional ingredient is coconut oil, and all we're using about a half of a teaspoon, just a few drops of the coconut oil. You can use any of your favorite oil, but coconut oil is a good oil to help with spots and blemishes on the skin. And you're going to mix this vigorously, totally blending all the ingredients together. Now once this is done, guys, take a look. Here you have your home remedy for getting rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now what I like about this remedy, guys, is that you do not have to use it like on your entire face. You can also choose to just dab it on the area where you have the spots and blemishes. However, if you're looking to lighten, brighten, and hydrate the skin, use it on your entire face. So you're just going to take a little bit and you're just going to apply it to the skin. Now, in spite of the fact that this have turmeric powder, guys, it's not going to stain the sheet, and a little goes a long way. And look at that, because we have the potato starch, it's totally dissolved in the skin. And look at that. And let me be more generous with it just to show you guys how well this blend in the skin. Look at that. Totally disappear in the skin. So use this up whenever you want to, guys. You can use this AM or PM, it doesn't matter. However, if you're using it AM, just make sure to leave it on your skin for a couple of hours. Best use overnight. Apply to clean skin, leave on. Upon arising in the morning, you rinse off. Within a week, you're going to be blown away of how clear your skin is, how radiant your skin is, and how glowing your skin is. Also hydrated, younger, and fresher. Store this in your refrigerator, and this amount can last you a good while, guys. This is about a 2-week supply, okay? So store this in your refrigerator, guys, and you don't have to throw it out in 7 days. Just use it up until it is finished. So there you have it, my personal hyperpigmentation remover cream. Now a bonus to this, guys, is that if you have a lot of hair on your face, this is also going to help to get rid of the hair, your chin hair, and also your upper lip. So definitely, guys, use it up and watch the hair fall off and watch your skin get lighter, brighter, and also glowing. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? This is like a must try, especially if you have dull, rough looking skin loaded with hyperpigmentation. And for those of you with hair on your face, on your chin, and your upper lips, definitely give this a try. You can also choose to double up on the amount of turmeric powder that you use in this recipe if you're also using it to remove facial hair. Thank you all for watching. Share the video, guys. And guys, if you're looking to support our channel, do so by watching our commercial to the end and also hitting the like button. That will allow the system to see that you guys like it, so they will share it with others. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.